Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video segment, I'm going to show you how to replace a camera air filter on a 2017 Ford Explorer. Now, the only thing you're going to need in this video is what the good Lord give you, your hands. No tools are needed. If you're not a subscriber, just hit that button, become a subscriber right away. Let's begin. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the passenger side. Going to go to the glove box. And if you notice down here on the bottom, there's gonna be some white clips. There's one here. I have one of them out right here. They don't have to come out. That one just happened to fall out. So what you wanna do, you wanna push those clips towards the end, the center of the glove box. Now, if it's a little bit difficult, you can put a screwdriver right here and just pry it towards the center of the glove box. Then we have both of the clips released. We're gonna go over here and open up our glove box. And if you notice over to your right, there's gonna be a cable, and we need to disconnect that cable. And you see here where we can disconnect and just move it into the hole there and to release it. And we got a release. And it's just gonna, the cables is just going to sit back here, just so that you see it. It won't be too far away from you. That's what we have. If I can show you, we have a clip up under here. If I can show that to you. Right here. We're gonna have to release that on both sides. Just release it. Just push up on those two clips. It'd be best doing both at the same time. Then we just move our glove box cover right out the way. Here we are. This is what we want. This is our front cover for our camera air filter. And if you notice here, you have two clips. And just to show you a little trick, it was hard for me to actually hold the camera and to release this cover, but you can just push down on it to release the clip. Push down at the same time and just release the clip, and it should come right on out. There we are. That's our filter. We're just gonna try to get a good grip on it some way. Just take your time. Pull it on out. Well, it was definitely time for it to be changed. Here's our new filter here. Part number. And you can get them from anywhere. The dealer, your local auto parts store. Price range. And they even have instructions if you need them. And you just want to be mindful of the airflow arrow. So in this case, we're going to put it back, of course, the way the old one came out, and the arrow was pointing down towards the fan. Put it right back into place. Fits like a glove. Just going to put our cover back on. That's the way we took it off. And just make sure you slide it up in the top clips right here. Snap it back in place. We're gonna put our glove box back on. Now I just want you to know, these clips, they are going to pop out. And you're gonna have to put them back in. You put the glove box on, and this is where you're gonna put them, and they're gonna go through this hole here, and they're gonna lock here on both sides. So this one will face this way, and the other one will face this way. And I want to also point out this cable here. When you hook it back up, you may say, wow, that's pretty short. It will retract. extend, and retract. So just want you to be mindful of that. So we just put our glove box right in place, and we're gonna let our top clips actually hold it in for us. Like so. You wanna make sure this clip on both sides is just like this. And where the arrow is pointing, you wanna make sure that area is downward, so you can actually put your finger there and push it forward. Let's not forget to put the strap back on. And that's all there is to it. Well, that's all you have to do to change your camera air filter in your Ford Explorer. I hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to subscribe, and you may, if you do need any tools, I would recommend to just grab your screwdriver to help you with those clips. Take care, and God bless.